Rajant coming on and providing the capabilities that they did really made a huge difference. The ease of use and also the reliability that it gave. You weren't frustrated with having something break down. You could be assured that you knew how to use it and it was going to be reliable. And I think that was the thing that built the confidence of the guys that were using the equipment.
The importance of Rajant's capability and the radio systems that's provided, having the ability to communicate, whether it's in a peacetime, whether it's a combat environment, contested versus uncontested, is of extreme importance, and Rajant does that.
That's what I like about Rajant. I don't know if it's due to size or what, but just a lot more personable, responsive. If I could, Rajant would be everywhere in the kill chain. It would be throughout the field artillery. It's just that good of a product.
For Rajant and the capabilities that provided, it just made things go smoothly, and we really ended up saving a lot of lives.